Dad's farmhand.
What?
And combine out that way.
Where?
That tractor there has the farmhand.
What's that?
You come through here, you want
lift.
The truck front end on it so you can haul heavier loads. What year is this one?
That's a 46 Super M.
46 Super M. Old machinery.
Still works.
Still works great. And over here is his another truck.
That's his new corn truck, 1955.
That's his new corn truck in 1955.
Combine's over here.
You see, I made the stock rack on the front and back on the truck.
On what? Oh, on
the
that
truck.
one.
Then
He made the stock rack on the front and back of this truck.
I take a picture of my little 2-row combine.
Here's his little 2-row combine.
You get on the out there a little ways, then you can point to the front end of it.
Okay.
And see that it's only 2 rows. I'll start her up this
3-row, isn't it? 2-row combine. Year?
So you go down one row here and one row
They started up there. Excitement out here at
you get up
Grandma
on
Robison's farm.
There's Lisa on the combine. I guess she's going to pick corn for Dad this year.
I've never seen one so small. What year is this then? Is it old?
That's what was it, a 67 model.
19.
Oh, that's new compared to some of
1967
That's what
combine.
Scott's saying, that's your new truck.
Yeah.
55.
Yeah. And I got my old baler out there. It's got, well, that bale hay.
Oh.
There's Dad's baler. Bales some nice heavy bales for us to stack.
Now I had to go the tarp over the running gears part of it. Now this is my 224 wire tie baler. I had it completely gone through and it really works good, but it's an old one, a wire tie.
There's
An old guy named Dan Henry down
53 Mercury of Dad's.
He baled hay for years and years, and he worked on balers. And he retired from working for John Deere Company. And he's 80 years old.
There's the old corn crib.
One year, I asked him, would you be interested in trying to overhaul that old thing? Yeah, he said, I think I'd enjoy it. But he said, I'd have to have all summer, and it would take his time. And he went through this. And then when the corn sheller,
Dad was just saying Grandpa invented one of
in through there,
the first cribs around here that had the slanted floors in like that. You fill the corn, the top part,
corn just rolled in.
part of
You
it
didn't have
rolls
to
down
scoop it like, other
to
people
the
had
bottom and
scoop
rolls
their
down
corn.
slants
My dad always had
into the chute area.
It showed the
Here's an invention of Grandpa's and his gates, how he made his gates.
This is, he made gates out of pipe and stretch wire, and then put a
Made his
cultivator
gates out
wheel
of
on it,
pipe and stretched wire,
so
and
that they just shut real easy.
he put a wheel on the bottom of it, old cultivator wheel. Rolls open and
He's got them on the
closed real easy. One of his inventions. Dad's rotary hoe that he just
6 rows.
hoed his corn with this year. 6 row. There's Dad's mower that he puts on behind the old M.
That's a drawbar mower, Scott.
Is that your cultivator over there?
Yep.
4-row cultivator over there.
Is that an old baler?
No, that's an old manure spreader, but that was Dad's, and it's no good. I got 2. I bought 2 of them out there in the trees. And,
The old
well, we were out there. We should
manure
have took a picture of
spreaders.
my horse wagons I bought the other day.
A lot of manure around here to haul.
Scott, come back out here.
Put this thing here on, here, and pull it by horses.
Oh, neat.
People used to set up there and
Joel just bought this not too long ago at an auction.
used to have it screwed up here a little tighter, you know, and drive the horses.
And all we need is a couple of Clydesdales.
And my old tumblebug plow, I don't use anymore. I usually chisel instead. And here's my old manure spreaders. I just got them fixed too. I spent $123. Got new tires.
There's another one that Joel bought at the auction. Nice little
Here's another one.
thing to haul stuff in. There was one of the musk thistles that Pat and Chris missed. You have to knock $5 off what Dad said he'd give them.
$5, $10 they claim. Good Harold's out there.
Harold. What's a Harold?
This was my dad's side delivery rake. I still use that.
Rake alfalfa with that.
It works like a charm too.
This is all
And I have my,
Yep.
here's my manure scoop for my farm hand. And here's my snow scoop.
Snow scoop.
This is an old 53 Merc that I'm just saving for parts for my antique.
Saving this one for parts, he says.
Here's my sweep for my farm.
Dad's sweep. Haul the hay, you know.
The old Harold go behind the desk.
There's Dad's field, alfalfa field out there.
And this is my ditch driller.
Get that orange flag. See it?
Down here.
My cornfield's out over there. Whoops, what's that?
I filled irrigation ditches with this.
That's what Dad uses to fill the ditches with.
Here's my chisel. Here's another musk thistle.
Whoop, another musk thistle that Pat don't get paid for.
And my ditcher.
There's the ditcher that he makes the ditches with. Getting us all on tape, so in case somebody robs it, we have it as proof, I guess.
Hi, Scott. Oh, we don't have the sound.
June 7th, 1992. Nicholas and Mom in the rocking chair.
He likes this rocking chair. He likes to go like this and like this. See what it feels like, don't you, honey? You like the rocking chair? Doesn't care about rocking, he just touching it. You're going to have to get him crawling up the stairs. You want to get him crawling up the stairs?
I suppose.
Pat, can you quit what you're doing a minute? Come here.
Well, I can't. Just cut him over. I want to climb.
Well, yeah, but you can fall on off.
No.
You want it? He wants to get you, Nicholas, crawling up the stairs.
Are you tape recording now?
You bet it. Better believe it. Don't break the camera.
Here it goes.
Okay, come on, Nick.
Go with Pat.
Let's show Scott how we can crawl up the stairs. Come on, Nicholas. Come on, Nick. Come here. Come here. Come on. Just 1 second.
Just carry him over to it.
Come on, Nicholas. Come on. Come on,
Turn the
Nick.
light, the hall light, so he's right. Pat, turn the light.
You gotta be behind him so you can catch him.
Well, then he won't come. Come on, Nicholas. Come on. Come on. Can you go up?
There goes Nicholas crawling up the steps.
Come on, Nick. Can you go up?
You're covering him up so he can't see.
There he goes.
Come on, Nick.
Wait for Pat to go.
Come on, can you come?
Be sure you catch him.
That old stuff again.
If he turns around to see somebody, don't be good. Boy, look at him go.
Wave.
And there you have it, folks.
Good job. Any words of wisdom today?
Oh, what I'd say couldn't be repeated on film, so.
Close up.
No.
Woo!